So if that's what they want, give it to them. You guys with me on that?
Yeah.
That's how you market. You don't.
It works because Open Door is doing it.
Exactly. Like, we're late to the party with this, y'all. But guess what? Most of us here only need to close, need 1 or 2 a month. I mean, forget about the big numbers.
Yeah.
What if y'all just close 1 of these a month and still did real estate how you did it and close your whatever you close? Okay, moving on. So I'm here for the people who just want 1. Right now, I'm greedy. I want 20, 30 now because I got the process down. Right? Any questions about that? Cool. Okay, so don't put the stuff in your head. If somebody has verified results, all you do is go do it. And when you have problems, you put in the EXP Realty channel, say, hey, there's a challenge I ran today. Anybody got a suggestion? And if somebody gives you a suggestion that does not have verified results, don't listen to them. Wait for me to respond. Or go into the Express offer workplace and post that. There's more people that have more success than me. Trust me. These people are closing hundreds of deals. One dude that closed 200 deals in 1 year, just on Express offers. Okay, go into the workplace. Don't even listen to me. I don't have the results that you want. I only closed 5 in 90 days. Okay, don't listen to me. But listen to those people. They're closing hundreds, and trust me, I'm on the phone with them. Moving on. So those are some best practices, and hopefully you guys that have been reaching out to me, those couple documents will get you over the hump. Right? If you need a document, reach out in the EXP Realty channel. Simone will make sure you guys have them. She's our unofficial admin person. She's wonderful at it. All right. So she'll make sure you have whatever document you need. All right. So let's talk about mortgage rates. I brought this up on my team. We have a once-a-month meeting on my personal real estate team, and we call it our ideas meeting. Right? You guys that have a team, you should probably institute something like this. I learned it from my buddy who's an executive for Comcast, and he was telling me they do it weekly. I'm like, that's awesome. But everybody in the company, no matter where you come, where you're on a pecking order, you have to come with an idea. So once a month we have an ideas meeting, and one of the things I brought up is, a lot of times what real estate agents are saying, they're talking about mortgage rates. And here's the facts. Let's just deal with the numbers because numbers don't lie. The average rate since 1971 to 2023, you guys see it here, 7.75%. That's what it is, right? That's the average interest rate. In the last, 29 plus 23, that's 52 years. Last 52 years, the average interest rate is 7.75. So right now, rates are around in the 6s. At Guaranteed Home Loans, here's a commercial for us. We can give people rates at 2% below market. I personally did a loan for a lady, closed it last week at 3.99. Okay, 3.99. It was a 2-1 buy down, 3.99 the first year, 4.99 the second year, refinance. If she didn't, ended up being at 5.99 by the third year. So we do those all day long. So if you're not doing business with Guaranteed Home Loans, we're in Florida and Georgia. Go to our website, letsclosefast.com. Let us do the loans for your clients. All right. So just get this in your head. I want you guys to be thinking about marketing. How can I get this information out, right? How can I get it out? So then I Googled, I said, what's the lowest 30-year mortgage rate ever? It says it was from 2000 to 2021, and rates kept going all the way down to even about 2.65, but the average rate for that year was still 2.96. It's only happened in 52 years, y'all. Do you understand that? If you're looking for something to happen once in 52 years, your clients, that's like looking for a unicorn or trying to find a needle in a haystack, right? Don't let your clients stay focused on what happened once in 52 years. Get the message out to them. If you want these 2 slides, or make your own, because I know some of you guys can do slides way better than me. Get the message out to your clients on how to do it. Create videos, create reels, talk about these 2 things constantly. This is what the rates and loan programs. Don't be on TikTok and all the stuff y'all doing, talking about next, another one on the contract. Like, nobody cares about that. People are connecting to how can they get what they want. I posted a lot of reels in the last 2 weeks. I picked up 4 clients. One dude, I was chilling yesterday, he DM'd me on one of my reels. He says, hey, the owner of the house we're renting wants to sell it, and I need to find a new home by May. I saw your reel online. Can you help me? Right? And I'm like, okay, what's your credit score? Number one, 710 to 750, wife, him. So I said, okay, great. And fill out the loan application. He's like, yeah, so did that, right? That's just off for real. That cost me $1 a day. $1. Okay. All right. So lowest rates in history happened one time in 52 years. Get this message out to you guys' social media groups. Okay. This is how you get business coming back to you, and you can put it in a system. We all talked about buffer.com. Please write it down. Please use it. It's free. Hootsuite, something that's free, doesn't cost you $1. That'll post to your social media. Schedule it to go out twice a week, right? Twice a week. Especially now, people are going to get their tax returns, right? They're going to be thinking about making a major purchase. Some people, that's going to be their down payment, right? I would be prepping these people with $1 a day reel about these two alone, right? And I would be telling them that, hey, if you're waiting for something that's going to happen once in 52 years, just take however old you are right now and add 52 years. Would you rather buy a home now or whatever that number is?